Hello, bearded bee people. Welcome back to BeeKBs. I've had some questions about how to work busy hives comfortably and, without getting all crazy stung up. Obviously, everything's different. Different colonies treat people different ways, and on different days, the same colony will treat you different ways. But what I like to do is obviously go through everything calm and steady. You're not, freaking out or swatting or doing anything like that. And then when I have to get into the bottom box of a many high, tall, colony, I will set the boxes off on their side like this. It keeps all the gunk from the underside where all that sticky propolis and wax is. And it's, just fine to leave boxes like that. And when I'm dealing with frames, what I like to do is just lean them up like that. Even if there's a queen on it, if there's a mated queen on it, she's not going to go anywhere. She's going to continue doing what she's doing. So you can set the frames off to the side. So really, truly, my advice is just be calm. Realize that you can pull things aside and set things off into a different area to get them out of your way. Keep your smoke near you, of course. And make sure you have all your protective equipment on. You can over-smoke bees, but you can most certainly under-smoke them. You're more likely to under-smoke them than you are over. So, be pretty liberal with the smoke and just be nice and calm. These bees are more confused than anything else. They're definitely not trying to come out and get me. Now, if you have a hotter colony, I would change nothing except for the amount of protective equipment that I'm wearing. I would have a jacket on. But these bees are pretty gentle, as you can see. They're more, like I said, kind of thinking, what the hell happened? This is chaos. So they would just want me to set everything back. Although it felt like I was getting ready to get stung. But I didn't. So yeah, just try to be real calm. Try also not to worry too much about crushing bees. When it's like this and there's just bees everywhere, there's not a whole lot you can do. Try to smoke them in as best you can. Watch your fingers where you're grabbing these boxes. You can set it off on an angle to only crush 4 points rather than the entire 4 sides of the hive, and then slide it, and you're pushing a lot of bees off rather than crushing them. You are crushing some though. And I'm getting stung right here. This is the first one of the day though. Okay, so they are back together and they will start to calm down now. As you can see, it's pretty chaotic in front. But, yeah, my advice to you if you're working a crazy busy hive and you're nervous is just go slow. Plan to be in there for a long time. Set boxes off to the side, out of your way so that you're not fumbling over stuff and bumping into stuff. Just be calm and smooth with all your actions. If you get stung or if the bees are buzzing at your face and stuff, just stay calm. One sting doesn't mean you're going to get thousands. And in fact, in this, chaotic situation, one sting, man, I got one sting. So don't freak out like every bee is going to come out and get you unless you have Africanized bees or just a crazy, crazy hot colony. Obviously, I've had crazy hot colonies, and that's a completely different situation, but I'm just talking about a normal, busy box of bees. Be calm, set stuff off to the side. Don't worry about pulling multiple frames out and leaning them up on their side to have more room in the box that you're working. If you find the queen and you just want her out of the way, once again, a mated queen is not going to fly off of a frame that you set off to the side. Just be careful, know she's on there, and don't kick it over, and don't shake any bees from it or anything like that. And then lastly, don't freak out when those bees are buzzing around your face or if you get stung once or twice. It does not mean that you are going to get stung thousands of times. It's not the start of an all-out attack. It's just one bee that thought it was a good time to sting, or maybe you pinched her or whatever. But like I said, in most cases of crazy busy colonies that I'm working, if I get stung once, it just means I'm going to get stung once. If I get stung twice, in a lot of cases, it's my own mistake. So stay calm out there and get into your bees and have some fun with them. So thanks for watching. See ya.